University have discovered another problem that will impinge on Mars's ability to grow trees.
At 4,100 meters, where we are standing right now, is where we get the highest tree lines in the world. Below there, we have huge amount of trees, but above here we have very few trees, and even a little higher, there are no trees. All these growth trees is related by the activity of bugs that are growing in the soil. What they do is that they convert the atmospheric nitrogen into a fixed form of nitrogen, specifically ammonia, and this ammonia can be absorbed by the roots of the trees, and then once they get it into their system, they can utilize it to make amino acids, purines, pyrimidines. These are building blocks to make DNA and also enzymes.
Navarro's research compares soil samples taken from above the tree line with samples taken at a lower elevation. On the right is dissolved soil from above the tree line. Its faint color means low levels of ammonia, not enough for trees to thrive. Navarro believes ammonia-producing microbes in the soil are not active enough at this altitude. The culprit? The temperature. The drop in temperature at the tree line slows the microbes, inhibiting them from creating ammonia at a normal rate in the soil.
We need to wait until the soil has some nutrients that will be provided by tiny bacteria, and then the trees will be able to use this nitrogen to grow.
But Mars's atmosphere contains little nitrogen, so the microbes will have a difficult time producing ammonia unless considerable terraforming has already occurred and the atmosphere of Mars thickens to Earth-like conditions. Navarro acknowledges growing plants and trees will take time, moving in incremental steps.
We need an interdependence, and we need to begin from the lower level of the evolutionary tree. So the first step in this terraforming is these tiny microbes. They will play two significant roles. One is they will convert the atmosphere of Mars into oxygenic. And the second part is that they will fix nitrogen from the atmosphere into the soil for larger plants like grasses and moss to grow. And eventually, once the regolith has significant content of organic matter, then trees will be able to grow under these conditions. So we need to go into steps. We cannot plant the trees in